We've been searching for the best resort in South Carolina, and we think we found it. Welcome to Wild Dunes. This resort covers 1,600 acres on the north side of Isle of Palms here in South Carolina, and it is absolutely stunning. Wild Dunes is a beachfront resort just outside of Charleston here in Isle of Palms, and it has got something for everyone, from couples and families to golfers, spa lovers, tennis players, and beach bums like us. There are two main hotel options here: the Boardwalk Inn, which has a boutique coastal vibe, and a newer Sweetgrass Inn, which is where we stayed. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the room tour. This is a 2-bedroom suite at the residence in Sweetgrass here in Wild Dunes at Isle of Palms, South Carolina, and this place is stunning. Let's go check it out. Coming down the hallway, we're coming into the main living space of this. This is going to be your dining, kitchen, and living room area, and it is set up stunningly. I'm going to make my house look like this. This is incredible. In the kitchen, there's a cooktop, a beautiful overcooked top, vent hood, an oven, just in case you want to cook yourself a Thanksgiving meal while you're here. You got a full, I almost said a full sledge, a full fridge here. This is absolutely stunning. Microwave, coffee pot, blender, toaster, all the things that you could want, you got it here. Also, right outside the kitchen is going to be your laundry area. It does come with soap, so that's really cool. I don't think they have to do that, but I love the little details when resorts really just step it up just a bit. This living room is gorgeous. It's laid out beautifully. There's plenty of room, and this sofa is a pull-out sofa, so this room technically can sleep 6. 2 in the living room, 2 in the guest, and 2 in the master. Here in the dining area, again, this is a very open, very livable space. It has your big, beautiful bay window, big sliding door out to your wraparound porch, which we'll get to here in a second. I love this. 4 people sitting at the table in front of the bonsai, which big fan of bonsai, and also 2 at the bar top. You're gonna have plenty of room, have some dinner, absolutely love it. Now, let's move into the guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is a 2 twin room. I think, in my opinion, they utilized the space very well. It's very open, it's very airy, and these beds are so comfy. Of course, it's a standard bedroom, so it's going to come with your amenities like your office desk, your TV, and a gorgeous lamp. One thing to note on these beds that Amanda is a huge fan of is this scalloping here. It just adds a cuteness vibe. Again, it's the small details. You know what I mean? Coming into the guest bathroom, this bathroom is absolutely enormous. Probably one of the biggest bathrooms I've seen for a guest room in a resort. Big, beautiful vanity top. Amenities smell so good. I love them. Absolutely stunning shower. And then, of course, your throne area is large as you need. But now, let's go to the master. Back here in the main hallway, right here to my right, your left, is going to be just your drop station, but it does come with a nice little cooler that you can take down to the beach that the resort provides. So I think that's a huge amenity, because when you're going to the beach, you got to bring snacks. I love this room. I love the entrance to this room. It does feel very closed off from the rest, so if you just need your personal space, you just need to get away from the noise, if you're coming down and you just need a great night of sleep, this is the place to do it. This bed is absolutely huge, as comfy as you could possibly want. It's like sleeping on a cloud here. It's incredible. Huge closet, all the storage you could possibly need. Come drop your bags off, go to the beach, hang out. Gorgeous TV. You probably won't turn it on anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but this room is beautiful, it's airy, and it's wonderful. The view out here is spectacular. Right here, we're overlooking the pool, but if you look just a little bit past the pool, you get the water. But here's the best part about it. You get your own door directly to your wraparound porch. Actually, before we do that, let's go check out their bathroom because it is magnificent. This bathroom is unbelievable. The shower is bigger than the shower in my house. It's nuts. Nice little lay down area, little vanity area. It is stand up, there is no seating, so really just pull a bar top stool, come in here, sit down, get ready. You'll be fine. This is a pocket door. Save space, love that. In here, this shower is absolutely magical. It's huge. You know, I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. I'm about 7 feet tall, so as you can see, this shower is huge. Not really 7 feet tall, but don't tell my wife. Again, the pearlescent tile in here is stunning. It's shimmery, it's incredible. Huge double vanity, all the storage you could possibly want. And again, these amenities smell so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. But now, I believe we checked it all out. Let's go check out the balcony. Now, coming out of the master bedroom onto your balcony is probably one of the best feelings. It is so nice out here right now. It's just about 75 degrees. It's breezy. Smell that salt in the air. I love it. Right here, you have got an overlook of the pool. But again, if you look just past the pool, that's the ocean right there. Big, beautiful, and blue. I love it. Also out here, you get 2 spots to rest your feet. You have a nice little bench seat here that you can really kick your feet up and just watch the sun go down over the Wild Dunes Resort. Absolutely stunning. But if you got the family and you're out here hanging out and you just went down, you got yourself a pizza, come hang out around the table, eat dinner, enjoy the sunset. It's beautiful out here. But now, let's go check out the resort. While here at the Wild Dunes Resort, they have a little downtown area that's filled with shopping and dining, hangout areas. They even have a really cool fire pit with rocking chairs. It's awesome, but the coastal crust is where it's at. And not to mention one of the most beautiful beaches we've ever been to here in South Carolina. Look at this. Are you kidding me? It's like the biggest beach ever. And we're all alone. This is incredible. If you're thinking to yourself, Kyle, I have very particular taste on places that I like to stay. Well, don't worry. This place has over 2,100 different properties between standalone houses, duplexes, townhomes, hotel rooms, suites. They got it all. It is absolutely incredible. I can't recommend this place enough. Now I know what you're thinking. What about sports? Of course, Wild Dunes has got you covered. This place has 2 different PGA golf courses. It has 17 tennis clay courts. It's a nationally ranked tennis complex. This place has everything you could ever want. You don't even have to leave. On top of that, it has 14 different restaurants. 14. And pro tip, make sure you go to Coastal Crust and get the bread service. The focaccia bread is unlike anything I've ever tasted. One thing that we haven't talked about yet, and we definitely have to, is the absolutely massive pool. This thing is spectacular. It's got cabanas, all the seating you could ever want. Ain't nobody going without a seat in this pool. Hot tubs. There's even a little food truck in the pool area. This is incredible. Now, of course, you can't have a beautiful resort without a rooftop bar. This has everything that you can need. It's also got 2 fire pits that they turn on every single night for guests to enjoy. Just come sit around, make some s'mores. Why not? And as our time winds down here at the Wild Dunes Resort in South Carolina, this has been spectacular. All of the staff is incredibly friendly. The views are beautiful. The downtown, the restaurants, and the food, everything is unbelievably manicured. I can't wait to come back. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Right now, we have a really small channel and we need your help to raise those numbers. Our current subscriber count right now is right here, and we need you to boost those numbers. So help us out, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps YouTube push out these videos to new people. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the Wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.